Hey writers, welcome to WRITERSPARK TV, your cozy corner for author marketing magic and Pinterest power. I'm Bourbon. I'm an author, story witch, and a book marketing nerd. And today we're talking about why Pinterest is the best kept secret in your author toolkit. If you have been spinning your wheels on Instagram or X or Facebook and you're wondering why your posts vanish in a day, this video just might change the way you market your books. I really hope so because it's so powerful. Here's the deal. Pinterest is not social media. It's not social media. It is a search engine, and that means your content does not disappear. It stacks, it builds. Pins I created 100 days ago or a year and a half ago, they are still getting saves and clicks today. And I will be showing you proof about that. There are 3 reasons why Pinterest works so well for authors. Let's break that down. The first is evergreen visibility. A pin that you post now can resurface in months or years. It is not like Instagram or TikTok where your content has a shelf life and disappears. 2, search intent. People on Pinterest are searching. Things like fall cozy mysteries, best books with magic, how to write a novel. You are meeting readers and writers exactly where they are looking and with what they're looking for. 3 is passive growth. Pinterest keeps working while you sleep, so you don't have to be constantly posting to stay relevant. That is key. So I recently did a 100-day Pinterest challenge. I posted 3 to 5 pins a day, and this is what I saw. I saw a huge jump in my monthly impressions. My site traffic to my websites tripled. And I saw spikes on my book pages in my KDP dashboard and my course enrollment. So that was phenomenal. And the best part was that I was not creating new content every single day. I was repurposing, I was batch creating, I was repurposing blog posts and YouTube videos like this one and lead magnets. So I was working smarter, not harder. If you are ready to dip your toes in, here's how you start. First, set up a Pinterest business account. It is easy and it gives you analytics. Next, create 3 niche boards. Think cozy witchy reads or writing tips for authors or books with found family. Whatever genre you write in, whatever tropes you write, whatever your area is, create niche boards for that. Start slow. Just design 3 to 5 pins using Canva or BookBrush. Use strong titles, readable fonts, and consistent branding. 4 is to add keywords in the title, the description, and even in your file name. And 5 is to link to something valuable, a landing page, a book post, your Amazon series page, wherever you want to send people, that is where you link to. Okay. If you want a cheat sheet to help you get started, grab my free Pinterest for Authors starter guide. It is linked below. It walks you through creating your setup, your profile setup, your board ideas, your keywords, your first pin design tips. So it's going to kind of give you that kickstart that you need, and it's free. And if you're an author trying to stand out online without the burnout, I was so burned out. Pinterest changed my life. It just might be your magic wand like it is my magic wand. So hit the like button if you learned something new today. Don't forget to subscribe because WRITERSPARK TV is just getting started. I've got pin tutorials, strategy deep dives, bookish marketing goodness, and writing tips all coming your way. And if you want to dig deeper into all of the things that we talked about today, check out Pinterest Power for Authors, the full course that I offer. That link is below also. And I will see you here next time.